Welcome back. Today, I'm excited to show you how to change the color of almost anything in Canva. And why not start with changing your outfit color? It's quick, easy, and super fun. Let's dive in. First, open Canva and create a new artboard. You can either upload your own photo or search for one in the Elements section. For this tutorial, I'm searching for girl wearing dress. Scroll through the Photos section and pick one that you like. I found this great one, so I'll drop it onto the artboard and adjust the size until it looks just right. Next, click on the image and go to Edit. From here, select Magic Grab. This tool is amazing. It starts analyzing the image and highlights different parts for you. Once it loads, click on the dress part to isolate it and hit Grab. It only takes about 20 to 30 seconds, and the tool does all the hard work for you. When it's ready, go back to Edit and select Adjust. Here's where the magic happens. Canva automatically identifies the colors in the image for you. In this case, the dress is pink, so I'll click on that color. Using the slider, I can now change the dress to any color I want. It's so smooth and satisfying to watch the transformation in real time. One thing I noticed is that it even matched the lipstick color to the new dress shade. It's those little details that make this feature so impressive. Keep experimenting with different colors until you find one you love. You can also adjust other settings like brightness and saturation at the bottom for an even more customized look, but that's totally optional. And that's it. The process is done, and the color is changed effortlessly. It's such a fun and creative way to refresh your designs or experiment with different looks. Give it a try, and I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.